orbit that's oval.
The sun. What if we're the big one?
We're only allowed to know about.
Are you saying
Part
if
of
we're
the-
like the giants and there's microscopic
I mean, obviously they're hiding things at the North and South
Hulu.
Pole.
The land of Hulu? Haven't you heard of them? Some Dr. Seuss stuff right there. Well, the way I figure it, I got enough right here to occupy my curiosity. My curiosities can be occupied until from here to Kingdom Come. Uh-huh. Look at that. Dancing victory over the waters. Cute guy, some cute guy. Cute guy with his dog. His elbows are blowed out. That is so cute. I like it. Mm-hmm. Do you guys hear that? Geese. Goose. There's a pond over yonder. And I like to fly over there. I seen the biggest frog the other day. This thing was huge. Huge. It was lying on a log in the sun. And it was awesome. That guy had to be at least 8 years old, maybe. I don't know. He was like 10 times bigger than all the other frogs around. Look at the reflection of those trees. Shimmering magic. Mm-hmm. Shimmering magic on the water. Shimmering, shimmering. Oh, dropped your hat, sir.
Oh.
Here you go.
Saved
Catch.
my life.
I saved your hat, not your life. Look at that. Where are we? It's magic. It's magic. Look at that. Oh. All the mushrooms on that tree right there. Right there. Trails, happy trails. Happy trails, happy trails. Wait till you see this. We're coming up to a water mass. At Sapagon, there's big water animals. Look at that canobly tree. Poor thing. It's taken over.
A couple of turtles.
Oh, little turtles. I see them. It'd be hard to get a good look. See him right there? Right there. The little guy above water. Maybe. When the sun's out, they're all hanging out on those logs and stuff. It's amazing. And the frogs are just going to town in the middle of the summer. Oh, a breeze picked up. It is nice.